the Smart Money Stop Safe 6 indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder site. From this section, you can access the indicator on the TradingView site. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. To access the indicator on the TradingView site, we search for the indicator's name in the indicator section, buy was, and execute it on the chart by clicking on the indicator. For quicker and easier access to this indicator, activate the Add to Favorites option and add it to your indicators on TradingView. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, it begins identifying liquidity levels and order blocks on the price chart. The Smart Money indicator, Set 6, is designed using smart money concepts, allowing traders to identify liquidity levels, breaks, and order blocks. This indicator identifies liquidity accumulation levels and then detects the order block break zones, drawing these zones for traders, and then waits for a breakout. It remains below or above the lines, and after the breakout, it shows us 3 to 6 of them. Traders can wait for the price to return to the order block zone and then enter a buy or sell trade where the price has moved upwards, accumulated a liquidity level, and then moved downwards with a breakout. The lower level of 3 to 0.6 is displayed for us, and then traders can wait for the price to return to the order block zone and enter a sell trade. In this section, the price did not succeed in reaching the optimal order block level, and then moved downwards with another attempt to move upwards. And after gathering liquidity, the order block experienced a drop downwards, and continued its bullish trend. In another section, after identifying and gathering liquidity, the order block zone was identified and displayed. After that, the price moved downwards, forming a break that displayed a bearish safe setup for us. After that, traders can wait for the price to move towards the order block zone, and upon entering the order block zone, they can enter a trade accordingly. In the settings section, in the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, by changing this option, we can adjust the zigzag range for identifying setups. The more we increase this value, the more it identifies long-term setups, and the less we decrease it, the more it identifies short-term setups. In the next section, there is the Order Block Refine option, which adjusts the width of the blocks. So, does it optimize the order? This option is enabled by default, and if we activate this option, it considers the entire order block range. As shown here, the price moved upwards, after breaking the break, and entered the order block range, then moved downwards. If we set it to that mode, we see the Refine option, which does not optimize the order blocks and displays fewer trading opportunities. In the next section, there is the Refine Mode option, which allows us to determine how to optimize the order blocks, with 2 modes available, defensive and aggressive. Risk-averse traders can use the defensive mode, and by selecting this mode, the width of the order blocks decreases and the number of trades also reduces, like in this section. Additionally, risk-tolerant traders can choose the aggressive mode, and by selecting this mode, the width of the order blocks increases, allowing them to identify more opportunities. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.